Hello friends, today I am going to talk about Startup New Venture Management. We will learn about Unit 1, part number 2. Content is entrepreneurial behavior and motivation. In this content, today we will learn first meaning of motivation, second definition of motivation, third nature of motivation, fourth type of motivation, fifth importance of motivation, 6. Incentive, 7. Theories of motivation. Entrepreneurial behavior and motivation. Motivation. Entrepreneurial behavior is the result of entrepreneurial motivation. Motivation has been derived from the word motive, which implies the entire state of mind that activates, provokes, and direct our behavior towards the goal. Motivation is a process that motivates a person into action and includes him to follow the course of action till the goal are finally achieved. Definition of motivation. Motivation is the work a manager performs to inspire, encourage, and embolden people to take required action. This definition author is Louis Salam. Nature of motivation. First, internal feeling of an individual. Second, this feeling prompt him to work more. Third, energies toward productive action. Fourth, motivation is linked to satisfaction. Fifth, an individual is motivated in totally. Types of motivation. There are two types of motivation. First, positive motivation. Second, negative motivation. Positive motivation result in willing cooperation of workers by tempting them towards rewards and incentives. Negative motivation creates fear amongst workers by creating them with demotions, pay cuts, layoffs, etc. Importance of motivation. Motivation is one of the most important factors in determining the level of success that you will achieve. Motivation is required throughout the entire goal process. The following are some key reasons why motivation is so important. First, improves morale of employees. Second, lower labor turnover. Third, improves goodwill of organization. Fourth, creates cordial industrial relations. Fifth, changes are more easily accepted by employees. Incentives. When a company wants to encourage productivity among its employees, one option available is an employee incentive program. Employee incentives describe a system of rewarding success and effort in workplace by allowing employees to earn prize or recognition. Definition of incentives. An incentive is something that stimulates a person to get it engaging his desired behavior. There are two types of incentives: financial incentives and non-financial incentives. Financial incentives are pay and allowances, productivity linked incentives, bonus, profit sharing, stock option, perks, etc. Non-financial incentives are status, organizational climate, job enrichment, job security, employee recognition, employee participation, etc. Theories of motivation. Maslow's need hierarchy theory. This theory based on human needs. Strong need of an individual dominate the other need. The second need does not arise till the first need is satisfied. That is, need have a definite sequence of domination. This theory was prepared by Abraham Maslow and is based on assumption of people are motivated by a series of 5 several needs. First, physiological need. Second, safety need. Third, social need. Fourth, esteem need. And last one, fifth, self-actualization need. Physiological need. The most potent need, according to Maslow, when these physiological needs are developed by a long period. All other needs fail to appear or recede in the background. Physiological needs are deemed to be the lowest level need. These needs include the needs such as food, water, air, sleep, etc. Next need is safety need. When the physiological needs are successfully fulfilled, then satisfied need become the dominant force in the personality of the individual. Safety needs are many and mainly concerned with maintaining order and security. Safety needs include a desire for security, stability, dependency, protection, freedom from fear and anxiety, and a need of structure, order, and law. Next need is social need. This need emphasizes basic psychological need of human being to identify with the group life, making intimate relationship with other member of society. These needs are depend on the fulfill of previous need. Esteem need. Esteem needs include the desire for self-respect, self-esteem, and the esteem of other. When focused externally, this need also include the desire for reputation, prestige, status, fame, glory, dominance, recognition, attention, importance, and appreciation. Next need is self-actualization. This need is highest need. It means to fulfill one's individual nature in all aspects, being what one can be. One of the most important aspects of self-actualization is freedom from culture and self-imposed restraints.